Hey y'all, so I am back with another video. I know I took that wig off from the last video, so if y'all haven't saw my last video, go look. This is like, I maybe felt too confident, maybe it was too glam for me, but yeah, go check out that last video to see what I'm talking about. But this is what I am actually doing a review on. I actually bought this with my own money. I'm really lazy with my hair, so crochets have always been my go-to protective style. I was going in the hair store looking at other stuff. I was actually looking for some headbands for my hair, but I walked past these cuties. They're called BOHO Twist, or BOHO Twist braid, 18-inch, and I got 1B. They were $9.49 at my local hair store. So, and it is Nala Tress Janet collection. So yeah, I've been looking all over YouTube for this particular hair. I've seen like the passion twists that are 24 inches. I've seen like so many, but I couldn't find any. So yeah, I guess I can show y'all what, I mean, y'all know how to crochet. I mean, there's millions of tutorials on how to crochet hair, but I am going to show you the finished look after I go ahead and start my install. I did get 6 packs, y'all, so this might not be enough, and if it ain't, I mean, I'll just have to go to the store. But I mean, I think they're just huge. I don't want like my hair super packed with hair, so if it's not enough, then we just gonna head back to the store. So I got my trusty, you know, these things, these cheap things. I probably got a billion of them, but whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. Maybe me talking is just making this hard. But yeah, so if y'all are interested in seeing the final look, I would say stay tuned, because I'm interested too, because all I can go off of is the you know, the stock picture that they have online, and it's like a really ugly color, so you know, yeah, I don't know if I like that loop. Like, thank God that one's in the back, because that ain't cute. Yeah, so hopefully, okay, so I'll be back when I get closer. I think I'm just tripping up because I'm on camera, you know. I act like y'all are like sitting right there in front of me. I feel like that sometimes, so yeah, I'll come back when I'm at least halfway done. I'll come say, hey y'all, what's up? But yeah, stay tuned for the next clip.
Production.com. Huh?
Chillin' bed, I pray and hope they loving up. Man, we got so many kids, I just hope they loving up. We gon' set the tone in the stand and hope they notice us. Vlogging all day and all night because this brings us peace. Jenboo got our back, she help us live and she help us see.